Hey guys, welcome back to Matt's World DIY. Today I'm going to make a stocking using Dollar Tree items so I can make this lovely decoration on a budget. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg buying decorations for your home. This stocking is going to come together so super quickly and it's going to look really high end and you're not going to pay very much for it. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. All you're going to need to make this wonderful decoration are a few items from Dollar Tree. I bought this stocking for $3. Now it's a little more on the high end, but it has just a little bit more features on it that you're not going to find in the simple $1.25 stocking that you'll buy. The other things I bought were a bow, and it was $1.25. I bought this little Merry Christmas gift tag. It's wood and it's really kind of cool. It was $1.25, and I bought several picks that I'm going to use to stuff the stocking with. Now, in addition, you might want to get a pool noodle. I went to my local Dollar Tree. They did not have any pool noodles available. The lady there, I talked to Tammy, and she was so helpful. She brought me all throughout the store and we were looking for things, and then she comes running around and she was like, look what I found. She goes, can you use this? And it was just styrofoam. And I'm like, absolutely I can. She goes, here, it's yours. It's going in the trash anyway. It's just packing material. And I was like, are you serious? She goes, yes, here, it's yours. So if you're watching, Tammy, thank you so much for helping me. You were amazing. What we're gonna do to get started with this, I'm gonna try to do this without even a glue gun. I'm gonna even try this without a glue gun. So the first thing I wanna do is stuff my stocking with something to kind of plump it up, make it look a little bit full, Christmas Santa's not gonna be stingy on Christmas. You wanna fill your stocking up. So I'm gonna use these trash bags, fill up the bottom of the stocking. All you have to do, simply stuff it in like this. And if you don't have trash bags, you can use newspaper or any other kind of things that you have around the house, t-shirts or old clothes, socks, whatever, that you don't want to, hold on to any longer. You just need something to fill the stocking up with. And look at that. Those few did a great job filling this stocking, making it look nice and plump on the bottom. I'm going to put a little bit more because I have a lot of these plastic trash bags. I'm sure you do as well, unless you regularly take them to your grocery store for recycling. Okay, this looks really good, nice and plump. Now, the next thing I want to do is I need to fill the top of this somehow and make it so that it will support this greenery and these picks that I'm going to put into it next. So I have this styrofoam that Tammy gave me. She was so amazing. And what I want to do is I'm going to kind of measure out how much I have to use. I'm going to go about right here, and I'm just going to use this little mini hacksaw that I have and just mark a spot. Now when you're doing this, be prepared for there to be a lot of this styrofoam just floating around and it's difficult to catch. So if you're using pool noodles or if you're using floral foam, same thing, just cut it to the height of your stocking that you're using. Okay, actually I'm going to use this one now. I think this one will be able to let me go all the way through it. I'm going to put this nice clean side on the top, not that it really matters. This is looking better. It's fitting into the stocking. Whoops. Okay, look at that. I'm going to try to clean up some of this styrofoam that's all over the place and come back and we'll work in a less snowy environment. Oh, this is crazy. Now that I have the styrofoam out of the way and I have it inserted into the top of my stocking, I'm going to go and put picks into the top here. Just insert them into whatever random pattern or whatever random arrangement I would like. What I'm going to do is cut these picks down. I'm going to take off the main stem, put them in a nice little arrangement, see what happens. I'm thinking I'm going to plan it out on the table here. This alone by itself looks it's just not very interesting. So now what we have to do is fluff it out. So Just take and spread the little picks to fill the space. So I said I was going to try to do this without the glue gun. I'm still committed to it, but I accidentally pulled off I was moving the little twisty tie, and it separated from the back of the bow. So what I do have is some double-sided tape. This is tape that you could use to hang like a mirror or something like that, so it's pretty strong. Ugh. I'm placing the tape on here, pressing it nice and firmly. Then I will release the sticky part. Make sure I have it at the correct angle. Press to try to make sure it adheres. That's nice and solid. That's good. This is how it will hang on the door. I think it looks fantastic. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, leave me a comment. What are some of the DIYs that you've made for yourself using Dollar Tree items? I'd love to hear from you. Please, please, please share with me. This is a great community forum. We can all share with each other who has made what. So that's my video for today. I want to wish everyone a happy holiday. I'm going to see you again next week, but I'm just kind of getting it out there ahead of time. Happy holidays to everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.